a tool that I think is going to be so helpful for our learners this year and for our parents is the Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader can be found on any page in the top right, and this will appear on the Observer accounts for parents, student accounts, and teacher accounts. When I click on Immersive Reader, it is going to take me to a page where the words from that particular page are going to appear. When I click on the book icon on the top right, I can go down and choose a language. So many, many languages to choose from, and they even have multiple dialects of Spanish. So I'm going to click Spanish, Mexico. I'm going to click on document, so it translates the entire document. Now I can read all of the content in Spanish, but then down here on the bottom, I can have it play the words verbally. So I can choose from either female or male voice, and I can even change the speed in which the voice talks. So then when I click
Recursos
play,
del profesorado.
it is going to play those words for me. So this is going to be very, very helpful for parents, for students, for teachers, to really help with that accessibility.